friends and my students. During the lockdown period, this is a common problem for bike, scooty and the car. The battery goes down. So this is the main problem during the lockdown, and we have to survive this problem by home situation. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Let's start the vehicle. Basically we are open the front fairing because the battery is inside here. So first we open the front fairing, then let's see. We have to cut off the battery terminal. Battery has two terminals, one is positive and one is negative. First we have to cut the negative terminal from the battery. So now the negative terminal is cut off and now the positive terminal. So both the terminal is cut off from the vehicle. So we can charge the battery now, because kickstart also not working, so vehicle is not start. Now we have to arrange a battery charger or small adapter. It's 12 volt to 14 volt DC. We got a small battery charger. Okay, this is a home purpose battery, 12 volt battery charger. So see, it's a 12 to 16 volt 1 ampere. Okay, so we have to charge the battery for 3 to 4 hours. Then we have to check the battery voltage and start the vehicle. We add the adapter and both the terminal added in the battery. Negative is negative and the positive is the red one is positive and positive. We have to check the battery voltage. So we have a small multimeter here to show the voltage of battery. Here is the battery voltage is showing here in display. It's 12.1 volt. So now we have take the brake, check the battery voltage. It's below 12 volt. So the starter motor won't be start because the voltage is less than 12 volt. Now it's 12.8. So now the battery is charging. Why this vehicle is not start? We are trying hard but won't be start. So first we have to check some measures why it is not starting. Because this is an internal combustion engine or IC engine, spark ignition engine. So we have to check the spark plug and the current flow and the air flow and the fuel flow. If three things are coming together, and the engine definitely starts. So we have to open the rear section of this scooty and check what the problem is. Let's open the rear side of the scooty. Upper plug already is open, so we have to open the lower part of this part. See, this is a horizontal engine with the gearbox, with the drive frame. So basically the problem is coming from this section. We have to check the spark plug, then we can tell the problem is. We are trying to open the spark plug through the plug range. This is the spark plug. Most probably the plug is faulty. So we have to check whether it's transferring current or not, whether the problem is coming from. So we have to check. We are testing the spark plug because the engine is running, the self is running, but no current is occurring here. No high voltage current, means there is a problem either electric or spark plug. We get a new spark plug and the same specification. So mainly this plug is short, so it won't be able to give spark. So we are trying with a new one. So we fit the new spark plug and tighten the plug lock the plug cap. Now we have to start the vehicle. If it starts in first chance, means the problem is solved. Ignition on, and the vehicle is started. The problem is solved. Means the problem is from this faulty spark plug. Check it one time, one more time. Yes, vehicle is okay now. So, my dear friends, look at here. This is showing now 13.1. The battery storage voltage is showing here. Means the battery health is okay. We are charged it properly. Now it's time to give it load. Now the ignition on, brakes on, self. Vehicle is start. Now the time showing the charging voltage. Starting 14.3. Means the charger part is okay, battery is charging itself. Now the vehicle problem is solved, vehicle is okay. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside, use mask always.